today we are going to play Roblox.
Ay, wala pala.
We are going to play Roblox.
Wala!
Okay.
You want to eat?
Casey's there.
Ah?
Okay, let's play.
Anong kisi?
Cousin.
Ay, yung yan. Wala na. May pasok. May school sila. Wala ah. Mamaya na.
Wala. Sorry.
Casey ba ang pangalan na?
Why?
Casey is the name.
Casey.
Okay, let's play MM2.
Can I play?
And my sister is joining.
Akin na yung remote. Ako nga
Ang asin.
Yung maasin? Hindi na ako bibili ng ribs ako.
Hala.
Yung ano na lang, yung the red one. Tomorrow.
No, this one, the green one naman.
Ay, green one.
More than one mystery.
Mamaya ako later. Hindi pa pala ako kumain. Ay,
Hi.
inom ako ng
Icon. Only here. I swear, if I see E-deers. Oh yeah, factory.
We're starting. What's that sound? Yes, Sheriff. Sheriff. Yes.
Can I see?
Wala na. Sheriff. Hindi naman. Wait lang.
Wow naman! Oh my god, I was just looking at my sister. What? Her again?
I don't know how to do that. I only know the light.
Freak.
I'm
Okay, bye guys. I need to go. I'm sorry. I'm gonna make a part 2.